alright. I'm taking chances and chances and chances, mama. I promise one day we gon' get it right. One day we gon' live right. I'm talking about big houses, foreign cars, traveling anywhere you want. As long as you and my sister got them means, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright, mama. Keep praying for me every night.
Hey YouTube, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna be unboxing my first camera. So it's 5:26 in the morning. Yes, and it just got here literally like probably like 20 minutes ago. But it supposed to got here last night, but they did get in. So got here this morning. So now I'm up making the video because I can't wait. I've been waiting for this camera to get here. I'm waiting my camera. I have for a minute and I finally get it. So I don't waste my because people still sleep. Some people up, but some people just sleep, could be at work. But I have a niece and so she's sleeping out. I can't be loud. So I'm gonna unbox my camera and I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff I get from Amazon. Everything came from Amazon, but like the accessories and stuff like that. So before you know, I'm just stop rambling, stop talking because I'm ready to get this camera and set it up. You can see in this video. So first I'm gonna show y'all, y'all got to like it. And I'll show y'all the other stuff I get my sisters. So I got this bag too from Amazon. I like that Amazon. It comes with straps too, but I don't got the straps on it. I strap it like to carry it like that. But yeah, pink, anything pink I'm gonna get it. The other bag, I call it my content bag. I think it's where I'm keeping my camera and stuff like that and all the content. So, let's get into it.
I promise it's a better place. When I'm bored, I'm skipping states. Ain't no more than rainy days. Take my shot, just train away. That's just something I gotta say. Station money in my safe. I'm the one to go save the day. Torn around the world for real. Gotta see 100 mil. So many nights I started alone. Took that pain and made a song. Wonder why I seem like this. I guess it's cause my pain's strong. For so long, I always been felt like I've been the one. You know, the one that's gonna get us out this shit, man. Like now I finally see like carrying the family on their shoulders and shit, having that burden and carrying it to the top. Like, why not me?
Okay, so let's get into this camera. Here we go. This shit is it. This should be it. Just got it. Hopefully everything is everything. So I've been waiting. I've been anxious. I couldn't even get no sleep, y'all. I was just like, well, baby left this morning and I'm sleeping, somebody stealing. And now my money, I just wasted my money for nothing. The baby was kept telling me it's gonna come between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. last night. It didn't come. I'm just like, I ain't gonna sleep till like 10 something. Like, and like, I went to the customer service yard, I was like, it's like, we're sorry for the late something. If it don't be here by Monday, come back to us. And we like to send to offer. I'm talking about Monday. I was gonna come same day delivery. We're gonna pay for Prime for if I can, you know, get the benefits of Prime. Crazy, I'm just 5 and 9. I probably went to sleep. Some part for just pick around with this camera. Yeah, like if you never know, I really can't believe I'm making this video because I ain't gonna say I never thought I would. I always knew that I wasn't gonna get the camera, but yeah, like I got it today, February 23rd, like days after my birthday. Yeah, my birthday just passed. I just turned 22. But it's February 13th. It's turned 22. So if you know and you tell me her birthday, belated birthday, late birthday, I don't care. I'll still accept it. But yeah, I just turned 22. Okay, let me open it up. It's just so funny because I used to watch your video and like they used to have this box. So it's like now me opening up this box, it's like, okay, let me keep going. It's just surreal looking. It's just surreal. Me pretend like I'm reading instructions. Nobody really care about instructions. I'm trying to get to this camera. I never read instructions and stuff unless it's like something I put together. I know how to turn something on. It's safe. They say if it's safe power, turn it on. It's open. Charger. This must be a windshield. Open the windshield first. See if they gave us a good one or not. If they fold it, it will look like this. Not gonna look. Nope. I mean, it's not bad. It's just nappy. You know, like it's not a bad windshield. It's just nappy. I don't like nappies. Well, it's just gonna make my camera look. Do. Get back in the box. Okay. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know you see somehow the world can change to me and get so wonderful. We're gonna be on our iPhone stuff. Okay. I mean, I'm holding down. I'm sorry, I'm not even showing y'all. I'm just gonna open up down here in my lap, and y'all can't even see how I don't know, but yeah, it's selfish of me. Y'all supposed to see it too. We in this together, right? Right? Okay. Alright. Y'all ready? I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna start shaking. Cause look, is it upside? I got it upside down. Okay, this way. Let me hold it before I drop it. Look, y'all. Oh my god. Look. Okay. Oh my god. Look. Wait, thumbnail. Boom. Okay. Wait, let me grab the battery real quick. We can turn this sucker on. We can turn this sucker on. Yeah, from watching me decorate it and some more. So yeah, let's do it. And I'm gonna show y'all some quality tests. So in. Okay, because I have to remember how the people did it. Okay. I think I remember a little bit. Okay, boom, I popped it open. Look, pop it open. I guess y'all can see down here, this is where the charger piece go. I guess this the arrow, so that means that go in first, right? Maybe. Looks like it. Does it go in? That's one down here. I don't know how to put the battery in. I'm so slow, yeah, I told you. I am a little slow. Okay, I am a little slow sometimes, but it's okay. Because sometimes smart people are slow sometimes. I ain't like dumb or nothing, but I'm just kind of a little slow sometimes, you know. Okay, I'm going about. Put it in, now close it. Now, let's turn it on. Get it off. Here's the on button. Okay, so that means it's working, y'all. It's working. They ain't send me no foo-foo. I want to put it on. The camera feature brought on was going to read all that. It's going to say understand. Disconnect this way, but yeah. It's my sound. Completed. Okay. Before we put this stuff on, let me open it up. Let's take this off. Okay, so we just pinch this off. Oh, because it's showing. Let me see. Kind of a little far back though already. Let me see. And I like this one because it comes like from the side. Like it's on the side. Like the Canyon one is up. This one is on the side, so I can put like my stuff on here. But as you see, I don't like that. So what I'm doing is, I think it's turning. Let me see. Oh shoot. Now I need to back this way. Oh my god, y'all. The camera is so much, it's eating on my, it's eating, ain't gonna fake off. I gotta do the thing it's like. Okay, so I think mine's actually, okay, so I think mine's actually came right. Everything was right. It looks so cute too, yeah. I love the camera. Okay, so now we're gonna put this stuff on here. I've got it on there. So okay, there's some. Okay, so I didn't need the yeah, kind of probably so I didn't need the okay, so this is with the wide angle wide lens on it. Okay, so this is how it looks so far, y'all. Okay, so a lot. So if you get the Sony camera, just let people know, because this is I just had they just saw me use for like 15 minutes trying to figure out. So if you get the Sony, if you get the Sony ZV-1F and you get this one, so you won't need that extra piece to put on here to tuck it around, because it just goes on there, as you can see. I thought you needed about I guess I put the other one. So, but I gotta just to be on the safe side, so in case if I still can get the different wide lens and change them, but I'll still need this one. That still come in, because in the future I'll upgrade my wide lens and stuff like that. Okay, so that's on here. Looking cute. Yeah, so the camera did go dead, and so this is my charger. This is the camera after. So I'll have to get a different case because that case, apparently this case doesn't go with this one. So I'll be getting another case. So this is the camera, y'all. Well, I really like this camera. I really recommend this camera. Like the quality is good. I'm gonna put it in this video. But yeah, I got my camera and so far it look cute. So like the wide lens and the thing in her and everything else is good. So I'm gonna, you know, put the little quality test on there. Yeah, so you know, get into it, get into the life of Poodie, and yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop right here because the video is getting long. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, subscribe, and then, you know, be looking out for the videos because I got my camera, and so yeah, I now can record a lot of videos. So yeah. That's right, yeah. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications so you know when I post a video. Yeah, so yeah, get into it, get into the life of Poodie.
Yo, AV.